Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this nice looking muffins. I used banana, and this video is a requested video from my friend and sister Chifren Journal. Chifren Journal is also a content creator. She's an amazing woman from Nigeria who makes video from Saudi Arabia. Please, after watching this video, click on the link I will share. I will share her link below in the description box. Click on it to check her channel. You will love her and subscribe to her channel. Thank you. For this banana muffin, we'll be using 3 ripe bananas, 3/4 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, or you can use oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some cinnamon powder. I'll leave all the things I'm using in the description box below. Then I'll start by mashing the bananas. You can also blend it if you want. After mashing the bananas, I now add the weight or liquid ingredients. I have the egg there, 1 egg, remember. The melted butter. You can also use margarine or vegetable oil. I add the sugar. I'm using powdered sugar, that is icing sugar. I have a video on how I made that. I'll leave the link below. Mix everything together. Then I'll add the dry ingredients, that's the flour, the baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon powder. I'm sifting in the flour. Salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also use a nutmeg. If you don't have these muffin cups, just rub some oil on the muffin pan and put the batter direct into the cups there. You don't have to use this. My oven is already preheating and I'm going to bake this for 25 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. Check yours when you are baking it. And voila, here we have our banana muffins or cupcakes. Aren't these looking so yummy? They are looking so delicious. I'm just sprinkling some icing sugar on top of the cake. But you don't have to do this. I have some children I want to give, so I want to sprinkle a part of it, not all, for them. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all. May God bless you all. See you in our next video. Till then, remain blessed and bye.